whatever you need me to go over. I hope this was helpful. I'm sorry I had to have an echocardiogram this morning at 7:30, so I got back in my office around 8:37. So here I am. So Tamara, Lauren, and Daniel will have these videos presented live a little later today or tomorrow. I will place these videos on my YouTube. So we're recording now again. Let's go to Blackboard and make some comments. So we all know that. Let's look at the student view. Student view. So always read announcements. This will be pertinent later. Here's the text. This document is very helpful in reviewing chemistry and parts of the cell and other characteristics, the metric system, and so on. So one of my students did this. This is functional group. There's the carboxyl group. There's the amino group. There's the phosphate group, and so on. So I would look at this document if you want to learn a little more about the topics of chemistry and cell parts. So if we keep going, we will have a discussion of biomolecules and sugars and proteins and nucleic acids, lipids, talks about triglycerides, phospholipids, structure and function of cells. So this is a good document to pay attention to. Okay, so let's minimize this.
Dr. Clifford.
So, yes.
Question for you. So I was just browsing through the document you're opening at the same time.
Yes.
And it has some information on the metric system.
Yes.
I know that we didn't have that document. Will we still be tested on that?
No, well, there's no, the metric system, the document has information on the metric system, but as you can see in WebAssign, I'm not going to ask you anything about the metric system.
Okay.
The other things, though, you will get questions on cell parts and biomolecules and basic chemistry. That's in there. So notice here's the syllabus with information. The schedule is there. Here's the PowerPoints I've been using. We'll get into other organ systems like the lymphatic system. The question checks ought to be turned in once you study the PowerPoints, and these are the due dates that I've added. Okay, so we also are going to have other information that we'll use throughout the course. You may want to pay attention to recordings because there we have a bunch of recordings on question check and homeostasis and chemical level of organization and so on, and cell structure and function. So I'm re-recording videos, but here are some videos that I posted when Blackboard allowed posting of videos. They don't allow it anymore. That's why I moved to this YouTube channel. There's a WebAssign link here. If you click there, it brings you to the login screen of WebAssign. So that's available. It's also, if you still need this, if you need keys for lab and so on. So pay attention now to recordings, WebAssign guide, how to use WebAssign, and so on. You may know that already. So if we go back to Blackboard, and then I close out Blackboard, I did indeed. Okay, let's go back to Blackboard. So where are we? We're trying to get into Blackboard. Faculty and staff, Blackboard, here we go. So what else should you pay attention in your course? 2404, Introduction to Human Anatomy and Physiology. Another thing to pay attention to when we get into heart and sheep eye and sheep brain and so on, those will be coming up. Another thing that's very important to pay attention to is that I sent out this form. This was a where to go follow workshops. Where is my form? I sent, nope, that's not it. Due dates are in there. I'll have to check on that and mention that next week because I sent out a form that I thought I did at least. I'll have to check that to do a survey of all the students, and I may have to send that out again because here's, well, sorry about that. Okay, so
I think it was sent out Monday.
I did. I sent it Monday.
Yeah, because it was due the following day, which was Tuesday, the 31st.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah. Oh, I know. I set it to disappear. Okay. So that's what you should pay attention to. Blackboard, my YouTube channel, WebAssign link. Other resources will become helpful. So let's go here and stop this recording. Stop recording.